Welcome to this NGN demo video on Data Sheets. We'll start here in the Garage Command Center. From here, I can click into Data Sheets to access a dedicated workspace for storing and organizing detailed vehicle information. Once inside, I can start a new sheet using one of NGN's built-in templates. We currently offer templates for engine builds, carburetors, transmissions, and rear ends. For this demo, I'll create a new engine sheet, give it a name, and choose which project I want tied to. Now I'm inside the engine data sheet. This is a structured template where I can enter all of my engine specifications and measurements, things like compression ratio, firing order, and detailed cylinder measurements. This is especially useful during a build or teardown, where keeping track of tolerances, clearances, and component specs is critical, instead of writing things down or spreading them across different tools. Everything lives here in one organized system. At the top, I can also export this data in multiple formats. At the bottom of the page, I have direct access to Axel, NGN's AI assistant. Axel understands the sheet I'm working on and can answer questions based on the actual data I've entered. I can ask things about my measurements, whether something is within tolerance, or even get guidance on how to perform certain checks. Next, I'll create a custom sheet. In this example, I'll make a jet ski setup sheet. Custom sheets are completely flexible. I can add rows, columns, and even multiple sections to structure the data however I want. This allows me to track anything beyond the built-in templates, whether it's tuning data, performance logs, or completely different types of builds. Let these serve as a blank canvas you can fill with information or measurements to train Axel, or keep yourself organized. Finally, I'll go back to my active projects and open my Ram Wagon project. From here, I can attach my engine data sheet directly to the vehicle. Once it's added, Axel now has full context of that data inside the vehicle's AI chat. You can ask questions about your build, and Axel will reference actual measurements and specs. That's Data Sheets in NGN, a structured, intelligent way to manage and actually use your vehicle data. Thanks for watching this demo, and stay tuned for the next video as we continue building out your digital garage.